where we are at the moment, at the very top of what is called the Col de l'Isaran. You can see it over here on the signposting. Motorbikes may or may not be able to read that. This is the highest point and the highest paved road along the Alps. So we're at an altitude of 2,770 metres above sea level. So we are about a 30-minute drive towards the south of Val d'Isere, a very famous ski region here in France, very exclusive, part of what they call the Three Valleys, I believe. And you can see some of the ski facilities in this region. But we have driven up here. The actual village, ski village of Val d'Isere, is located at approximately 1,850 metres above sea level, and we have driven up to this point. It's taken us about half an hour, and it's quite a steady climb, very steep in certain areas, but as you can see, you can get views to the various glaciers which surround us, and quite simply it's spectacular place to drive to. Beautiful scenery. And today a little bit cloud, mixture of blue sky and cloud, but even in this weather, well worth the journey. So there is a little place here where you can get something to eat, some soup, toasted ham and cheese sandwiches, and also a souvenir shop. But as you can see, the main reason is the beautiful drive up through the mountains. We're now making our way to Torino, so that's the direction we're going to head. We're going to continue south and then to